Welcome to a Rooster Talk again. I've got Lee Heng here with me from My Blue Tea. I met Lee through, she has a Facebook group which I was posting some of my work, and we got talking, and I've discovered that she has a really interesting business and thought it'd be good to share. Lee, maybe you can give us yourself an intro and we'll go from there.
Yeah, hi, good morning. It's Lee Heng from My Blue Tea, and we started this blue tea about 3-4 years ago. It's all from the concept of superfood, trends and things like this. And I've been looking at the trends for more than 10 years. If you look at the trends, there are things like your energy water, your coconut water. So I was studying the market. So this is where it comes about. And why blue tea? It's because it's relevant to where I grew up, Malaysia. We use this bunga telang, as it's called in Malaysia, in our food, basically, by the Peranakans. And also because this bunga telang or butterfly pea flower and some of our products is not easily available in Australia due to the weather. And yeah, that's how we started. Yeah.
Okay, and bunga telang meaning flower. It's a flower you're talking about, yeah?
Yeah, bunga telang is a Malay name of the butterfly pea. And why is it called blue tea? It is blue. Here.
Okay.
It is blue. Yeah, naturally blue. And in the world of food and coloring, blue is the most difficult to get to color your food. So out there, most of it are artificial color. And in this food trend, you don't want, or a lot of people are healthier, are more conscious. They want natural, healthy options.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess when one of the things I wanted to talk to you about is obviously you have a very well-established online presence, online shop. In a time like this, where people have that distancing issue, can you just give us an idea of how the process, you know, in a summary of the journey from, hey, I got this idea, the superfoods, I want to take it to the market. How did you go about doing that?
All right. When we first started this, or rather I was talking to my other partners as well, we wanted it online from the very beginning because that's the trend and you can reach out to more people. While doing online, we will also do on the ground events, markets, where you will start branding and talking to people. That's one. And during this time, actually, the business is better. Everybody has to go shop online, and a lot are cooking at home. You've got to, you need products, you need ideas. So hence we started these stay-at-home recipes, and we've rolled out quite a lot of recipes. In fact, 1 or 2 other chefs have taken our idea and make it their own, where they have cook-along shows and things like this. So okay. Yeah. Food is just one part of it. And the other part is I've got clients and friends who are very supportive. They use this to color bread. They use the powders to make soaps. So in this lockdown period, you find that family are closer. They've got to find things to do with children.
Yep.
So the natural color comes nicely. They make slime balls. They make bath bombs. All natural. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So I mean, look, coloring food and natural is sort of it's not a new concept, I guess, in that sense.
No. Yeah.
Even with my limited cooking experience, I've seen many of these Peranakan style of cakes and cooking. Yeah. They use a lot of flowers. Pandan is one, and then blue is another one. They use the red and black. It actually comes from a plant, the black
Our black comes from we have black. I have not rolled it up. We have biochar, bamboo charcoal, food grade. That will be a second.
Okay.
Later. Yeah.
Okay. And there is a story behind what you're doing. I mean, I was on your website and I was reading how you are sort of incorporating the local people in Borneo, where you have a factory and you're planting things. Can you share something about that?
Yeah, definitely. When we first started, it was just trading and working with our partners overseas. Then we were looking at upstream. Why not extend further? We have a farming community where we are involved first, just by contributing in cash or anything. Now it's extending into helping and teaching our natives, mainly natives, because there's vast of lands and native single women. What happened is most of the natives, they are just planting the same thing. And when you have something that's abundant, not many are buying. And the middlemen, they just buy what they want at their price. So besides this, what we are doing is teach them sustainable farming, organic, and we also have factory there to grow our own worms, grow our own compost, and to use it within the farms that we are managing.
Okay, you're talking about natives of Borneo Sarawak that you're talking about.
Yes, Borneo Sarawak. Yeah. We are working with Malanas. We are working with Dayak, Ibans. Yeah, everyone who are open to the program. It takes a long time. With my partners are managing there. It takes a long time to gain the trust, to work with them, because you really have to live local.
Did you did you have to approach from a government level as well? Was that something you guys were looking at, or you went private all the way?
Private, but the friend or my partners, they work with several government bodies but it's all private funds.
Okay.
It's all private funds, and some 1 or 2 pieces of land were donated by his friends, because they just have land and they don't know what to do with it. So in times like this, land is important. You see people rushing for food and things like this. So with land, you can grow stuff. You can have your chicken farm. Yeah. So yeah. And everything we do has to be economical, sustainable, and benefit all channels from farmers to end users.
Yeah. So in terms of obviously these are very tropical type plants. Are all your products coming from Malaysia, or are you growing some where you guys are in Central Coast?
Oh no, we are in North Coast.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
No, that's all right. Okay. Powders. If it's powders, it has to come from our factory in Borneo. Okay, because you need some investments there, which we put in. And the blue tea, yes, we grow some here. We have about the blue tea, a few hundred plants that we started growing about 4 years ago. So when demand and the business grew, we need more. And coming to this time where winter, we won't have a lot of crops. So that's why Borneo helps a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the other thing we are talking about.
No, go on. Sorry.
We are talking about soil to plate. All right. So meaning, you are the customer. In the future, you will have knowledge and transparency, the journey from, which plot of land, where your blue tea comes from. Yep. So everything will be noted, rather than just claiming. Yeah. Okay. Including soil composition, microorganisms. These are big words where farmers and scientists use. We work with yes, we do work with universities there for some research in various products. So the farms that we are managing and the factory that we are producing would not just be our blue tea. On top of blue tea will be pandan, bamboo, kaffir lime, purple sweet potato, diet ginger. A lot of people don't know what diet ginger is. So yeah, these are the things that we would like to let the world know what Sarawak has. And why Borneo? Because it's a rainforest, natural rainforest. And it's, I think what I understand, it's the only last food hub.
Yep.
Nice, good land. Yeah.
It's interesting you mentioned the ginger because I'm from Sarawak myself many years ago, but the ginger that we get in Sarawak or in the tropical climate it's a lot more aromatic than the ginger we get here. That's probably
yes, it's all got to do with weather.
Yeah. It's amazing that but the organic part I believe also plays a part as well. Anything that seems to grow organically, I don't know, just somehow the taste is slightly different.
Yes, also what happened is we are talking about food security in the future. We are also teaching the next generation of farmers by empowering them how to care for soil and avoid GMO additives.
Yeah.
So a lot of, if you read about it, I think a lot of GMO corn and things like this, which may translate to other diseases. But that's what we are doing. Yeah.
Okay. In going to my blue tea, the website and things like that, how's that progressing? I mean, obviously, is the current issue of social distancing helping the business? You know, for people who are now sitting back thinking, you know, I want to do something different. They've had, you know, obviously everyone's hurting economically, and some people are saying, oh, what's the alternative? You know, what's your thoughts on that?
In fact, this period has helped increase increase our sales because we've been online from day one. All right, we have been increasing our subscribers by giving them blogs on recipes, what we do, the progress. We are very transparent in that sense, and we get real cooks or passionate home cooks who contribute most of the recipes. Yeah.
Okay.
And we have also different segment of market, because just the pure powder, our vegan customers are very happy. They use it in their smoothies, drinks. Yeah. And the best feature about the blue tea is because it has a pH of around 8.4 thereabouts. So it's natural alkaline water. Okay. And you're supposed to have alkaline in your body. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the health part of it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Go on.
Yeah. By using the powder into your water bottle or into a glass of, dissolving it into a glass of blue tea, you absorb the health benefit much better than boiling the flowers. So yeah, that's the way to go in the future. Because anything you boil, it will defeat the purpose of any health benefits.
Every time you show me that blue tea, all I can think about is the blue solution we get in my chemistry lab. So
I know. Oh, the toilet thing.
Oh yeah. Well, I didn't think of that one, but yeah, now that you said it, yeah. I'm glad there's something good about it.
We moved. Yeah, now we move from food and open to various industries. So this is another one that we are doing with clients because we supply them raw materials. They make
Okay.
these are beauty oil for the face because it's packed with antioxidants. So, and all of us naturally want to look young, anti-aging. That's
Well,
one
most
of it.
women
Yeah.
do.
And for men as well now. There's range for men. And pandan, can you believe there is a body bath?
Oh yeah.
Pandan body bath. You smell good coming out from there. Yeah.
Is the pandan smell in there as well?
Yes, it's fragrant. It's very fragrant.
Oh, fantastic.
The only problem is when you come out, your wife may want to eat you. It's so fragrant.
I've told many people that I love durian so much that if you made a durian fragrant perfume, I would wear one. But I don't think anyone would come near me.
No, not in Australia. Right. So another industry that we are looking at is your cleaning materials, your kitchen cleaning, bathroom cleaning, organic material. So if you see the organic cleaning material, they are basically no color. It's supposed to be no color because it's organic. Now with the blue tea, the blue flower, you can have it in color.
Okay.
So what happened is the blue tea will change color with anything acidic or alkaline that you add. So you can, from this little blue, it will go to a spectrum of rainbow colors. That's how you play with it. That's why it's called magic tea.
Okay.
Yep. Do you want to see how it works?
Yeah, why not?
This is your blue in the morning and lemon. All right. Lemon is good for you because it's acid, but in your body it's alkaline. So what you do is how you enjoy, get a glass of this, add a bit of lemon, the color changing.
Yeah, it's like chemistry lesson.
Yeah.
Okay.
And some honey for sweetness. So you get some flavor. Otherwise it's quite bland. Yep.
Okay.
That's it. That's how you enjoy it. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
You can get a spectrum of color. So that's why it applies to many industry, how you want to use this wonderful butterfly pea or bunga telang that's native to us in Malaysia. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah, and
that's good. Look, Lee, thank you for sharing. I think my blue tea is something that when I looked at it, I thought, oh, this is very interesting. It's
thank you.
tea and everything, but it's not a flower tea and everything else. But this has very Malaysian feel to it. So that sort of made me think, oh, this is different. But look, thank you for your time. I'm happy to do, further down the road. Maybe let's see how we go, and we can do an update on how you're progressing with sales and your products.
Yeah, sure. We can take you a virtual tour to the farm as well.
Oh, that would be fantastic. All right. Thank you.
All good.
Bye.
Thank you. Yeah.